It's John and Claire. Shit, look at that. Got a fucking right angle.
I'm swearing.
Shut him.
Right. You ready, Anne?
Are you ready?
Yeah. Let me say hi both of us.
Hi, both of us.
Right. You ready?
No, okay, wait, that ain't a question. Right, you say it.
Right. Hi. Today, me and Mia are going to be doing 8 questions to ask each other. I'm going to ask her 8. She's going to try and see if she knows the answers. She's going to ask me 8. See if I know the answers. See who, like, wins. Who's the better friend? Do you want to go first?
Okay. What was the last picture I took on my phone?
The love heart next to my face.
Yeah.
Right. So I get 1 point. Is that 1 point to
Yeah.
me? Right.
That's
Now ask
actually
you a
a really
question.
cute picture.
I know. Where did I live first? Like, where was the
Oh,
first place where I lived?
shit.
The area. Tell me when you're ready to give up.
Okay, I'm not ready yet. I don't remember it.
I can't give you a clue, because if I give you a clue, I'll just, like, give it away to
ask
you.
for one. Get lost. Oh, just tell me I'm not.
Right,
I'm
so
not
are you
kidding
prepared to
now.
lose?
I'm not losing because
Yeah,
I've only got one question wrong.
Right,
but
okay,
go
right.
on.
Right, Murder Shore.
What was the last thing I dreamt about?
Oh, I know it, because you told me on the other day, maths. Someone, it was, right, was it bonfire night? Was that the night? Right, yeah, right, I don't,
like
yeah,
that.
right,
I don't
anyway,
actually
a
know
firework
myself.
went off in my face, and I had like half my
Yeah.
face blown off, and my mum didn't know what to do, because apparently I'd been playing with fireworks, so she took me to your house, and I don't know what happened. You were upset and you were crying, because half my face was blown off, but I don't know what else happened. Was that the one?
Yeah.
Alright. What's the name of my, what's the name of my dad's mum?
Oh my god! I asked this the other day. Sugar. Oh. Does it begin with an M? Shh. Oh my god.
Give up.
Go on then.
Marie.
Marie.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the weirdest prank call I've ever made?
Called Asda and asked if they have any scrolls. That was my weirdest. And then, do they have any Bibles? No. We'll drop the scroll then. Who was my first kiss?
Oh.
Those 2 steps there
Is it
in the
Riley?
corner. Yeah.
Oh, my biggest lie I've ever told my whole life. Ever. You're not gonna get it. Can I just say?
Yeah.
It was in primary when I used to pretend I fell over all the time. That's why it's like the biggest lies. It's like
And you
the
still
biggest lie, but over and over again.
rub your arm?
Yeah.
Tell us share that story, yeah, shoot.
Okay. So it was basically warmer inside, wasn't it? But they they never let you inside at break, so I just thought if it looked like I fell over, then I can go inside, because you got to go inside if you fell over.
So you used to scrape your arm on the wall to
Yeah.
bled?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you could sit inside and read your
Yeah.
book. What nursery did I attend?
Is it like the? No, I know. No, I don't actually. I might not. Like, is it? It's not the one by the park, is it?
What park? What park?
Heath.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought that first. Like, no, it's not. Is it actually?
Yeah, what's the name of it?
Shit. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know.
Can I give you half a point for it then?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's called the Heathside Nursery. So it's
I
Heathside.
forgot that. I was going to say like Sunny Day Gym or something. I don't know.
Right, so come on.
Yeah, 3. Right.
3.
Favourite band?
Is this your 5th question?
Favourite band, yeah.
Right. Arctic Monkey.
Yeah. Arctic Monkeys though.
Arctic
Really?
Monkey. What's my favourite food? Right, you need to think about this.
Oh! I don't know. Do you eat anything? Chicken nuggets?
Yes.
Favourite. Wait, what are my top 5 fears?
5.
Yeah, top 5.
Locks, fires, lifts. Being home alone. Like suffocated. Like.
Right, okay. You got 3 right. The last 2 wrong because I'm scared of them, like, but not as much. I'm scared of tanks and what was the other one? Oh yeah, spiders.
Do you ask me a question?
Yeah.
What's my favourite colour? Right. Don't just go for like
Okay.
something like you think about straight away. Actually think about
You've
it.
been obsessed with grey a lot lately, haven't you?
There you go.
Favourite series, go. That's really annoying.
Yeah, no. Favourite series.
Hurry up. This should be so easy.
American Horror Story.
Yeah.
Right. Well, I didn't think you'd have it. What? Where do I want to live when I'm older? City.
Oh, oh no, I don't know. Is it like? It's not in this country, is it?
No.
Is it Beverly Hills?
Yeah, but that's not the name of. I'll let you have
I
that.
don't know cities
Right.
and towns and continents.
Right, I'll let you have it. Right.
Favourite animal?
Right. What was the name of my cat? The one that I got. Well, I saw got put down.
Ethan? Was it that?
6.5 and you got 5.5. That's what this says. But I think I deserve an extra point. Okay, no. Yeah, I probably did get 6.5.
Yeah, okay. Come on now. Thanks for watching. Come on now.
Right. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah. Are you gonna say like, comment, and subscribe?
Like, comment, and subscribe. Lauren tried to teach me how to click and I can't do it.
Alright.
Like, she went middle fingers up, click, and it doesn't work still, so.
Oh yeah, also,
I think that was Trish that did that.
follow my Instagram, Kane
Follow
Atkinson.
my Instagram.
Follow.
Like, I've changed it, so can I just tell you it?
Alright, follow my Twitter.
Follow
That's
my Twitter.
Kaneako2. Yeah.
What? Kaneako 3.
No. Right, come on, watch Instagram.
Right, okay.
Follow it if you want.
No, follow it. If you want, follow it.
Bye.
Is my bird gay?
What type of bird?
I don't know if it means.
Oh my god, Chloe! I love you.